We were almost operating in hindsight, and manufacturing cannot operate like that. My name is Karen Lebsaft and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kurrajong Kitchen, Lavosh. Kurrajong Kitchen began back in 1993 with myself and my husband, team of two, became a team of so many more. There was about 30 packets a week back then. Today, we bake 756,000 pieces of Lavosh every day, still baked with the same love and care as what we did. One of our main problems was the management of our inventory. It was being managed through spreadsheets, and that was not sustainable going forward. MYOB Advanced brought all of that together into one program to give us correct and accurate data that we could rely on. The ability of everybody to come to one software program has improved the productivity and output of information within the business. It's really important in food safety that we could access and recall data from batch coding, inventory management, from the moment a good was received in that was going to be baked in the process through to a customer receiving that on their plate. Everything is just automatically done at a click of a button. What a mock recall would take a long time, couple of hours, has brought it down into minutes. It's actually been given me the ability to take a step back from my business, not being immediately hands-on, with the confidence that my team has the right software, has the right program to deliver the information I'm requiring to strategize and grow this business. What MYOB Advanced has allowed us to do is to look at data in real time so that decisions can be made here and now when manufacturing needs it. It is reliable, it's accurate, and it's been a life changer for this business.